Hello, welcome to IT Expert YouTube video series. Are you looking to kickstart your programming career and get a globally recognized certification? The Python Institute's PCEP Certified Entry-Level Python Programmer Certification is the perfect starting point. In today's video, we will cover everything you need to know to pass the PCEP exam, including registration, costs, exam details, study tips, and even a full set of practice questions. Let's dive in. Exam overview. First off, what exactly is the PCEP certification? It validates your fundamental understanding of universal computer programming concepts and Python syntax. It is a fantastic credential for beginners. Exam name: Certified Entry-Level Python Programmer. Duration: 40 minutes for the exam. Number of questions: 30. Format: multiple choice and situational. Passing score: around 70%. Delivery method: online or in person. Languages available: English, Japanese, Korean, Simplified Chinese. Registration fee: $69. Exam domains. The exam syllabus is divided into 4 main sections. The Python Institute offers a free Python Essentials 1 course on their Hadoop interactive platform, which is perfectly aligned with the PCEP syllabus. Here are the topics you need to master. Section 1. Computer Programming and Python Fundamentals. 18% of exam. Basic Programming Concepts. Compilation versus Interpretation. Python literals, data types: integers, floats, booleans, strings, and numerical operators. Variables, naming conventions: PEP8, and basic input or output operations: print, input. String formatting and basic formatting methods. Section 2. Control flow conditional blocks and loops. 29% of exam. Conditional statements: if, elif, else. Looping mechanisms: for, while, and controlling loop execution: break, continue. Logical and bitwise operations. Section 3. Data collections: tuples, dictionaries, lists, and strings. 25% of exam. Understanding and working with lists, tuples, and dictionaries. Basic string operations and manipulation. Slicing and working with multi-dimensional arrays, nested lists, or tuples. Section 4. Functions and exceptions. 28% of exam. Defining and using functions, including parameter passing and returning values. Name scope: local versus global variables. Basic exception handling: try, except. Study strategy and tips. To ace this exam, here are some pro tips. Practice coding regularly. Do not just read the theory, actually write code. Use Python's interactive shell to test snippets. Take practice tests. This is crucial. Use official practice tests from the Python Institute or reliable third-party sources to simulate the exam environment and identify weak areas. Time management. The exam is 40 minutes for 30 questions. Do not spend too much time on one question. Answer the easy ones first and return to the challenging ones. Read carefully. Some questions might be tricky. Pay close attention to indentation, variable names, and slight variations in syntax. Review the syllabus. Use the official PCEP 3002 exam syllabus as your checklist to ensure you have covered all topics. Practice questions with answers. What is Python? A high-level, interpreted, object-oriented programming language. What are Python's key features? Easy syntax, interpreted, dynamic typing, huge libraries, and cross-platform. What is PEP8? Python's official style guide for writing clean code. What is a Python interpreter? A program that executes Python code line by line. What are Python data types? Int, float, str, list, tuple, dict, set, bool, etc. What is a list? A mutable ordered collection of items. What is a tuple? An immutable ordered collection of items. What is a dictionary? A collection of key-value pairs. What is a set? An unordered collection of unique elements. What is slicing? Extracting parts of sequences using start-stop step. What is a function? A reusable block of code defined using DEF. What is a lambda function? An anonymous one-line function using lambda. What is args? Allows passing variable number of positional arguments. What is kwargs? Allows passing variable number of keyword arguments. What is OOP? Programming paradigm based on objects and classes. What is inheritance? A class deriving properties from another class. What is polymorphism? Same function name behaving differently in different classes. What is encapsulation? Restricting access to class members. What is abstraction? Hiding implementation details from the user. What is a module? A Python file containing functions, classes, or variables. What is a package? A folder containing multiple modules with init.py. What is virtualenv? A tool to create isolated Python environments. What is PIP? Python's package installer. What is PYPI? Python package index, repository of Python packages. What is a decorator? A function that modifies another function's behavior. What is recursion? A function calling itself. What is exception handling? Handling errors using try-except blocks. What is init? A constructor method called when an object is created. What is str? A method returning a readable string representation. What is list comprehension? A concise way to create lists using expr for x and iterable. What is the GIL? Global interpreter lock restricting one thread at a time in CPython. What is multithreading? Running multiple threads to improve concurrency. What is multiprocessing? Running multiple processes to bypass the GIL. What is pickling? Serializing Python objects. What is unpickling? Deserializing Python objects. What is a generator? A function that yields values lazily using yield. What is map? Applies a function to all items of an iterable. What is filter? Filters items of an iterable based on a condition. What is reduce? Applies a function cumulatively to items from functools. What is Django? A high-level Python web framework for rapid development. Who should take this exam? Aspiring programmers, students, career changers, IT professionals, anyone interested in coding. Benefits of certification. Once certified, you gain global recognition, improved credibility, and a salary boost of up to 20% or even more. You become a strong leader, gain strategic coding skills, and open doors to high-demand opportunities across industries. Key study resources. Recommended study resources include Python Essentials 1 Course Hadoop Interactive, Official Practice Tests, Official Python 3 Documentation, Automate the Boring Stuff with Python by A.L. Swigart, Udemy or Coursera Python courses. Call to action. If you enjoyed this Python Foundation guide and want more certification videos, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know if you need full mock tests, flashcards, or a complete Python study plan. Thanks for listening and best of luck on your Python journey. Thank you for watching this video. We provide hands-on training with labs, homework, group projects. Prepare you for the certification. Provide real projects. Internship opportunities. Support you in Resume LinkedIn. Staffing support. Provide tech references. In-person online class retake options and more. Call us at 847-350-9034 for your free career consultation meeting. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest videos.